Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'm here with another important tutorial that will boost your fashion life. How to make trouser back pockets and the simplest way to do it. So if today is your first time of viewing or coming to this channel, please subscribe, like and share. Turn on your notification so that each time we upload a new video you will be notified. Thank you. Let's go straight to the lesson. So this is the gumming process. The small pieces, pocket pieces for the two back pockets, 1.5 for paper gum is okay. You can still use 1/4. So I'm trimming out the excess after the gumming. So for this one I've done with the gumming. That is 2 inches for the big pocket pieces. The one I'm going to be bending like I've already done. Have you seen it? So there is like 1 inches, supposed to be 3/4, but I made it 1 inch so that I can remove it and cut out the part I don't want. So I want to be pressing them like that. So now I'm going to be marking out my pockets where it's supposed to be. So I'll be using iron to indicate that. So I'll place the 2 trouser back pieces so that I'll mark them equally. Have you seen my dart? The depth of my dart is 3.5 inches. So my pocket will be exactly where that 3.5 is, so that the point I ended my dart will not show after finishing. So I'm placing it like that, right side to right side, and I'm going to press it. You see that is 3.5 inches. So I'm done pressing it. I'm going to press the second one like that. Look at how it looks like. That's where the pocket is going to follow. So I'm going to mark out my pockets. So now I will be marking out 1/2 inches that I want my pocket to be. You seen it? I'll mark from that middle where I bend that thing. I'll mark it like that. And because I'm looking for 1/2 inches, it means this side here will be having 3/4, because there will be 1/4 from here and 1/4 from the small pocket pieces. So then I will mark my 1/4 like that again, and I'm going to be connecting those lines, those dots, those points. Just watch. Cut out. You see the excess I don't need, cutting out, leaving the 3/4 inches, 1/4 for the sewing. Now trim it out like that. I'll do the same to the other side. Then I'm going to be marking it like this in these other pieces again, but here it will only be 1/4 of an inch. I'll mark 1/4. Just watch carefully. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video, because you may miss if you do. Just watch, pay attention closely. So I'll do the same thing to the other pieces. Have you seen? Then I'm going to determine the middle by bending it. Look at that line. So I'm going to impute my measurement, my pocket measurement, how wide I want my pocket to be. For this pocket I'm using 5 1/4. Now 5 1/4 divided by 2 give us 2.5 and 1/8. So it means each side from the middle of where I bent there will be having 2.5 and 1/8. Have you seen it? Something like that. This side here will occupy one of these, and this other side will occupy one of these. So I'm going to be measuring like that in other side of it. I'll impute the same measurement. I'll bend it all through. Have you seen? I've done that to all, and I marked the midpoint with a pen. You see, when you join it, look at how it's supposed to look like, where your thread will follow. All those points are supposed to come together. So now I'm going to put this to my back trouser pieces, and that midpoint there I mark will be exactly where that dot is. Then I'll follow that iron line and put my needle exactly where I marked. You make sure you don't exceed or you don't go less than that, and you follow that straight line like that, very accurate. You don't have to be in a hurry, mostly when you are a beginner. Double stitch exactly that place you don't pass. Have you seen it? So you don't need to exceed that point. So I'm going to add my small pocket pieces up here. So I'm going to sew it. Look at how those 3 points are meeting themselves. That's exactly how it's supposed to be. I'm going to sew it again. If you see those pen there, that is exactly 1/2 inches. So that is that. Look at the look. Now look at the wrong side, how it look like with ST on it. Have you seen it? So I'm going to be cutting it out. You have to be very careful when doing this. You hold it like this and give it a little cut in the middle. This part here of this tutorial is very, very essential. You must watch carefully to see what is supposed or needed here. So I'm going to be cutting it to a 1/2 inch from where that pocket stitches ended. Have you seen it? 1/2 inch from there. Then I'll just branch to that place there. I'll divert. Have you seen it? Watch carefully. You are not supposed to exceed that thread or go below that thread. It must be exact point, and you must not cut the thread. You see it? No matter how sharp or how blunt your scissor is, you are not supposed to exceed or go less than that. You must have a good pocket finishing. So I'm going to be doing it like that. Just watch. That's why I'm taking my time to explain this video, explain this lesson. Watch. If you know today is your first time, please just subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification so that you'll be updated each time we upload a new video. I'll be turning the little pieces to the wrong side first, using it gently so that you don't spoil the work you've done. Very neat. Look at how it's supposed to look like. Have you seen it? Yeah. So I'm going to be turning out the big pieces to the wrong side again. Just watch carefully, pay attention closely. Have you seen it? So I'm going to be pulling this in, that pointed side there. Yeah, you've seen it. I'll do the same to this other side. So this is where the carefulness of a pocket is needed and how you can adjust it. Just watch carefully. Have you seen it? Those points, they are not supposed to be like that. You can adjust this pocket to the way you want it, because as it is now, nothing is holding it. You can adjust it. This determines how good or how bad your pocket will be. Have you seen it? Look at, you can slant it or keep it anyhow. Any slight mistake you make, the pocket will be somehow. So you have to take your time to arrange it and use your fingers like this to control it. Then pull out the fabric to where your fingers are and you hold it again. That's the control. You arrange your pocket to be straight, and now you have to follow that angle, those two angles, not to climb on the fabric, main fabric, or go less than that. So you are going to be putting your needle gently and sew it, top stitch it, the same line. So I'll show you. Have you seen? That's how it's supposed to look like. I didn't climb anything. Have you seen? That's how it's supposed to look like. Now, I'm going to be doing that to the other side again. I'll turn and stitch it there again. Watch. I will be adjusting it because I had a little space there and I don't want. For now, that is the only time you can be able to adjust your pocket. Have you seen it? I'm adjusting it slowly. Then I'm going to be repeating the same thing in this other side. Then now, the pocket is not being ironed, but look at how it is. Let me show you something. Have you seen how the pocket is very clean and very neat? If you follow this tutorial, you are going to be one of the best fashion designer when it comes to making a back pocket. So have you seen it now? So I'll be showing you another tip or another secret that helps in a back pocket. So look at that thing, that space there. You are going to be holding that 1/4 inches with that big pocket pieces and the gum. You have to use your fingers to guide that small pieces. Look at the pieces I'm talking about. This one here, this one. You're going to be holding it so that in case the gum gets weak, the thing will not be pulling out like some do. So you stitch it and make sure you don't hold the other fabric. You guide it with your fingers. Now I'll show you where it works. Now, have you seen the thread? Look at the thread there. Look at the thread. So it will not pull out like this, whether the pocket is weak or not. Because with time, the pocket used to get weak because of the gum, type of gum you use. Have you seen? It is finished. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you are a new viewer. Turn on your notification because that's the only way we can reach you with new tutorials, new videos that will help boost your fashion career. If there is any problem or any challenge after this video, just do well by commenting. Drop the comment down below the comment section. I am always on to answer any question that pertain fashion work. Thank you.